Hey guys, it's very early on a Sunday morning. I'm the rusty Autoholic guy where you see every single nut and bolt that I work on. This is Jacob. This is his 1990 YJ Islander, and there's a lot of stuff that's been happening with it and the CJ5 over there. We haven't had time to edit the video. I'm going to get around to it, mostly because something really exciting happened earlier last week, which you're going to see in the next video very soon. And hint, yeah, I got another Jeep. But it is like legit. He hates me.
Yeah, dude.
He hates me. But anyway, on today's very, very, very quick video, we are taking the remainder of the two-piece hardtop off of it because I sold it and a gentleman came and picked up the front half and he said he was going to come a week later, and it's been 2 weeks and hasn't come to get the rest of his Jeep top. So, but he paid in full, so I'm going to let him have all the time in the world. But Jacob traded for a set of hard doors and a hard top for the YJ Wrangler, and that's what we're going to install today. So, time lapse. Okay guys, like super short video, but we had to pull this out of the shop because it needs a little bit more work than we were expecting. As soon as I get the other video put together, I don't think I'm going to do subtitles. I don't. Like, I think I'm just going to... No, for the other one.
Other one, yeah, because that'll take you all day, because it was 2 days worth of work.
Yeah, we did 2 days worth of work, and...
And it's still not running.
Yeah.
But it looks good.
No, this almost looks like a Safari top, and I realize it is a CJ7 top, but the doors with the double glass are probably my favorite features, period.
And I like
the tilt.
like how it sits.
Yeah, the tilt is everything. Actually, here, you know what? Let's just carry it around real quick.
Let them see the whole thing.
Got to make sure not to get the new surprised.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, that looks so good. I mean, the doors alone are just freaking cool.
And they're really nice when you're sitting inside the Jeep.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, yeah, the white one's not going to run as soon as we would hope for, but at this point, it's like you said, you either take something off or you put something on, and your motivation for a project just skyrockets.
Yeah.
So, anyway, leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, you know what to do. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing if you have. As always, thank you, and we'll see you in the next video with a surprise very soon. Goodbye.
Au revoir.
Hey guys, I'm the Rusty Hollow. Yeah! Yes, hello. How are you? So anyway, leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you don't look like I'm gonna have to splice this anyway at this point. Na 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 na.